What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I appreciate you tuning in today. We're back on the GoPro. We got a brand new GoPro on Christmas, so thanks, Dad. I appreciate you. Had to go test it out. We're gonna take some canyons right about sunset. We probably have about an hour left of sunlight, so it's a perfect time to go and drive. Hopefully the wind isn't too bad. I mean, it should like barely be bumpy for you though, which is awesome. If you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you know this road. This is one of the good ones. It's definitely more of a high-speed road, but you know, people are slow. So we're gonna turn right here actually, just because I don't really want to be behind that person. You guys know. You guys know how it goes. Look at it, then there's no one. So, you know, it's... Man, see, this is a really nice area. Look at this. Horses. It is just so nice out today. Jeez. We got a few people on this road, but, you know, no one in front of us. I just love when there's no one in front of us, just because we can just go, you know, whatever speed we want. Wow, it's nice out here. Random people pulling out in front of us. Hello. Interesting. So, you know, it's the classic case of trying to go and drive and canyon at 5 p.m. We can go this way. Okay, so I was gonna try and change it up for you guys. I was gonna go straight, but you know, there's no one going this way. This is a first. If you've watched any of my other videos, there's always people in front of us on this road. Roll these up a little bit. I don't know if it's just the rev up engine or if it's the muffler delete, but you know, a lot of people say that the 350z engine sounds pretty trumpety. I just don't really feel like mine sounds trumpety. It definitely can sound trumpety. I've heard some pretty trumpet-like Z's, but I don't know. You know, I guess I'm never hearing it from outside. That's always like an in-cabin point of view, so maybe it does sound pretty trumpety from outside, but you know, I think it sounds pretty good. It doesn't sound too trumpety in my opinion. I hope this new GoPro is like, you know, a lot better. I know the other one would have terrible glare and you could like barely see the road and stuff, so hopefully this one's a lot better. I was using a Hero 3 Plus and this is a GoPro 8 Black, so hopefully it's better. Up so fast. I end up flooring it at this place all the time. We got to get out and do our little walk around like we always do with the new GoPro. Jesus. I mean, just feels, you know, like my own little piece of Grand Theft Auto. I don't know if that's weird, but it's just so cool. There's something about JDM and just Japanese cars, or just cars from that side of the world in general, tuner cars. Yeah, they just do it right. There's so many cars that they've just done correctly. This is one of them, in my opinion at least. Oh, it's so cool. All right, let's go. I can't just like, I want to stare at it, but then I'm like, I want to drive. So the beautiful thing about our park that we turn down, you know, this little park that we come to, there's this road right here. Oh, nope, someone's going up it right now, so we can't like, you know, we're not gonna go too fast because, you know, I mean, it's not residential, but people live off the turns of the roads, you know, ways down. It's a little populated, but we're not gonna break any laws, of course. We're just gonna check it out. I just want to see how the smoothness of the GoPro handles the turns. That is always a good sign to see in your Z. you know? A little bumpy through here. Should be no match for the GoPro though. Amazing. That's basically it. It goes that way, but it gets really narrow and it kind of turns to dirt. So I think we should go this way though. The sun is setting and it's gonna be perfect out here. Like, I'm just so excited. Oh man, I'm gonna need my sunglasses for this one. Oh, I'm gonna hit a cactus if I don't be careful. I don't know how well the GoPro handles direct sunlight, so we'll see. I think we're gonna go right. There's a nice circle all the way around. We'll get some nice sun angles, you know, some good views. As Stradman says, oh God. You see that? We friggin' slid into the street because of all the gravel. That was like a freight train. Something about the sound of a VQ just does it to you. Or at least to me. I don't know about you guys. It must. If you're still watching this video, I mean, obviously you're part of the group, you're part of the club. I mean, 350Zs are so much fun. For the price and the value, here's our park. We can pass it this time. Okay. This truck right here, I respect. He's hauling, because we're going fast. And if we're going fast, I mean, we're not catching him. You already know. Oh, see, he's going straight. Yeah, we couldn't go that way if we wanted to. That's basically, me and my dad and my brother, we refer to that as like the surface of the moon. Like the road, basically, the county basically maintains it up until that point. So it's so many potholes, like I could not drive over there. But I forgot what I was saying before that. But sometimes I feel like if we had wings, we would just take right off, you know what I mean? Hopefully the GoPro can handle that glaring sun. I mean, that is just bright right there, I'll tell you. I will tell you. We've had pretty good luck with traffic. Alright, well, I mean, hey. I'm sure traffic now is gonna get bad because this is like the main road cross right here, so, you know, oh, at least we beat the truck with the boat. That's always good. Alright, you guys, so I hope you've enjoyed today's video. I know we're just cruising around with the GoPro, but I honestly love these types of videos because I can just be honest with you guys, and you know, it's almost like a one take type of thing. I just, you know, cut the little boring parts out where I'm just cruising, but oh, we made it. We're going. Oh, Jesus. Wait, one more bump. Oh my God. Honestly, peeling out of a roundabout is like the most fun thing to do, but honestly, it's like they set it up. They know you're gonna do it. So they make the road just like, I mean, it's like a skate park over there. Like you could probably get air on a skateboard, I'm not even lying. But you know, it is what it is. Still sounds really good. Anyways, I don't even know where I was when I was ending this earlier. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions or comments, or you want to see anything in the future videos. I will make it happen for you. Definitely look out for one of my future videos. I'm going to be putting beautiful side splitters on this thing from Easy Splitters. Oh my gosh, random horses. I swear I'm going to get interrupted every single time I try and end this video. Amazing. Horses. That's just so cool. Hit the subscribe button if you guys haven't already. Turn on post notifications. That's pretty clean. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.